Let's update the coffee quality investigation in EzSolve, starting by opening the workspace. Select the defective or immature bean batch verification to review its action items. Open the Attachments section for the action item about performing cupping analysis. Click Add Attachment to begin uploading supporting evidence. Choose the file you want to attach from your device. Add an optional note to give the attachment helpful context. Use the Paste Image area if you need to add an image from the clipboard. Click Upload Attachment to save the file to the action item. Preview the uploaded attachment to confirm it looks right. Close the preview once you have verified the attachment. Return to the diagram view to continue working through the investigation. Start adding result notes for the selected action item. Add that cupping results confirm the off flavor is already present. Finish the result note with the current investigation context. Click Edit to update the action item details. Set the contribution percentage for this action item to reflect its impact. Select the chemical residue item again to return to its details. Switch to the Pareto view to compare contributing factors. Select defective or immature bean batch as the next focus area. Open the evidence section for the coffee quality investigation. Click Generate with AI to create an evidence summary draft. Preview the generated evidence summary before editing it. Select green bean quality to review that evidence branch. Open the defective or immature bean batch item under green bean quality. Click Edit so you can revise the evidence summary. Update the evidence summary with the latest findings and verification details. Add double square brackets to link text to a branch, verification, or action item. Select the green bean quality branch to adjust the evidence scope. Add more detail to the evidence summary for the selected branch. Preview the updated summary to check the final wording. Click Rename to give the summary a clearer snapshot name. Enter the new evidence summary name. Click Save to store the renamed evidence summary. Create a new snapshot to preserve the current evidence state. Click Open to access the snapshot list or selected snapshot. Select the current evidence snapshot to review it. Make any final edits in the evidence summary editor to close the session.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more EzSolve tutorials.